Hi, my name is Mr. Molinello, science teacher here at Young Men's Leadership Academy, also known as Science. So today we're going to be talking about the three domains of archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. So as you can see here, archaea and bacteria are both prokaryotic domains. What we know about this is that all prokaryotes are simple, pro-no, meaning they do not have a nucleus, and they're all unicellular organisms. Then we have our third domain of eukarya. Eukarya, those organisms are all eukaryotes, meaning they're complex. They do have DNA confined in a membrane-bound nucleus, and they can be either multi or unicellular. So the first one that I want to take a look at is the archaea domain. In the archaea domain, we have one kingdom. That kingdom is Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria is known for living in harsh conditions. The strategy we like to use for that is that archaea sort of sounds like archaea, which is a very harsh thing that can happen to you. So that's the one kingdom found in the archaea domain. Here are some examples of Archaebacteria. So as you can see, we have these unicellular organisms. Let's move on next to the bacteria domain. In the bacteria domain, we also have just one kingdom, which is Eubacteria, also known as true bacteria. So here are some examples of Eubacteria. So as you can see, these unicellular organisms have some flagella that help them kind of move around a little bit. So let's move on to the third and final domain, Eukarya. The first kingdom that we see here is the Animalia kingdom. Here are some examples of the animal kingdom. As you can see here, there's a variety of organisms inside of the animal kingdom. They include anything from amphibians, reptiles, and mammals, etc. The next kingdom, also found in the Eukarya domain, is the Plantae or plant kingdom. Let's look at some examples of organisms in the plant kingdom. So as you can see here, we have a variety of plants, and these are just a few of them. Now the special thing about the plant kingdom is that these are only autotrophic, meaning that they have to use the sun's energy to create their own energy through the process known as photosynthesis. So these are all autotrophic organisms. Let's look now at the third kingdom found in Eukarya. The third kingdom found in Eukarya is the fungi kingdom. So let's look at an example here of the fungi kingdom. So as you can see from this example right here, that the fungi is attached to a tree stump. Now that's the cool thing about fungi. Fungi is known as a heterotroph because it needs to receive its energy. It needs to consume other organisms to be able to receive its energy. So when organisms die and those organisms begin to decay, the fungi, they take out the nutrients that they need to get their nourishment. So that's why they're considered heterotrophs. That's how they're different from the plant kingdom. Let's look at the final kingdom in the Eukarya domain. The final kingdom is the Protista domain. So let's look at some examples here. So as you can see here, all of the organisms here in the Protista kingdom are unicellular. So some examples include parameciums and amoebas, just to name a few. Thanks for watching.